Well, I'm Chris, and this is my TAMIYA Sand Scorcher unboxing video. I ordered this straight from Japan. It was $310, January 2024. So in case you don't know, these come from overseas, and the local stores have to mark them up a little bit. So I bought this off of Amazon, and that store has a lot of bad reviews. But as you can see, mine looks good. It took 9 days, and you see the store I got it from. So feel confident to order from them. Only sketchy thing so far, it's not wrapped in plastic. So does that mean it was a return? Let's find out. But the box is beautiful, box is perfect. Oh my gosh. I had no idea on earth that it was gonna come with metal parts. And I still haven't figured out if this is magnesium or aluminum or alloy or what it is, but you see that right there, this is crazy. Bunch of cool metal parts. That motor right there, I just sell those on eBay. So it seems to use the Hornet Grasshopper wheels. And in case you don't know, that is the old Volkswagen bolt pattern. It was a large diameter like that. So these wheels are really cool. So the Sand Scorcher and Blitzer Beetle have the same body, but this one is going to use the marker lights right there, or signal lights. See the chrome pieces, these headlights. All this chrome stuff looks real nice. So the Sand Scorcher body is very, very awesome because it's molded in light plastic, so it's going to be way easier to paint this. This uses a two-tone paint job, and it's going to be super difficult for some people, but I recommend trying to paint it the color on the box. The thing that really burns my biscuit on these hard plastic bodies are people that screw the paint job up and they just paint it like flat green or flat black, and it looks like trash. Take your paint job seriously. So these are clear lenses. The Blitzer Beetle uses smoked. We're just talking about that because these are very, very, very similar bodies. So this is cool. It covers the engine on the back. Somewhat of a smoked plastic. This is a cage right here that protects everything from the sand if you decide to do that with it. I am not. This thing is way too special. So it has this thing. I don't know what this is yet. So far, this is very cool. This presentation is awesome. I had no idea it came with this case like that. Same tires as the Grasshopper, very cool. I love the Grasshopper tires. And you can actually do high speed runs in it. I got 45 miles an hour on a Grasshopper with those tires. This is beautiful, of course. Oh man, this presentation right here is by far the best I've had on any Tamiya. This is awesome. Okay, where's the chassis at? Is it missing the chassis? What the heck? Are we missing the chassis of this car? There's no way it's missing the chassis. Oh my God, I was like this close to losing my freaking mind. Because remember, the box didn't have a seal on it. So after seeing this, I'm understanding why it costs so much. So this is on a way different level than the Grasshopper, Blitzer Beetle, Lunchbox, Monster Beetle, all of those, even the TT01, TT02, all of that. This is like a super special fancy RC car. Servo stuff, some little rubber seals are going to prevent the elements from getting in there, water, sand, dirt, possibly 2 different pinions. But there's your gear bag. Okay, this is super high quality. Front bumper, aluminum kind of roll bar thing. Oh, this is cool. These are the rear shocks, and it has the oil for them. Very cool. Of course, you get grease and some tools. So this is actually very, very interesting. A Volkswagen Beetle has a torsion front suspension on it. So I bought 2 of these classic Volkswagen Beetles in real life in August of 2023. That's what this front end is. It's a torsion bar system. So they went very, very, very much in detail trying to do the best they can to replicate that. And I absolutely love that about this car. I had no idea. Okay, so those are your torsion bars. So it's a little bit different than the actual car, but it's trying to replicate that system the best they could right there. All right, it shows you how to fill the oil shocks. Very, very cool. Loving this so much. And the chassis, this is awesome. You can't beat this. So my mind completely blown. It is totally worth it. Even if you had to pay $400 for it, you are going to love it. But this is not for beginners. This is not for a child. This is for somebody that's at least 15, 16 years old and older. So this is about 25% of my Tamiya collection, and you see where I put that one. Now, if you're buying this for a young person under 15 or a new person to RC, do not buy that. 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 Buy the Grasshopper. That's the green one. And then I have the regular one right there. If you're new or maybe trying to get a kid or somebody into RC for the first time, you can't go wrong. Those are all for experienced builders. But the truth is, if you're getting into RC for the first time, this Tamiya Grasshopper has been my favorite car so far because it was only $118 and I've had so much fun with it. I'm still running it. So we're just talking about the other ones because I'm showing you that I finally bought this one after a couple of years being into RC. And this is the king, and now understand why it costs so much money. No regrets. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.